Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a swap route on 1inch using token settings step by step clearly. To restore a swap route on 1inch using token settings, begin by navigating to the 1inch website. Once on the homepage, connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Select the wallet you wish to connect from the list provided. Allow the website the necessary permissions to access your wallet. After your wallet is connected, locate the swap function on the main interface. Choose the token you wish to swap from the drop-down menu. Then, select the token you want to receive in exchange. Before proceeding, click on the settings icon represented by a gear symbol. In the settings menu, look for the swap route option. Here, you will see the current routes being used for your swaps. To restore a previous route, click on the Restore Route button. A list of your previously used routes will appear. Review the list and select the desired route to restore. Once selected, confirm the restoration by clicking Confirm or Restore. Next, return to the main swap interface. Input the amount of the token you wish to swap. Check the estimated rates and fees for the swap. When you're satisfied with the details, click the Swap button to initiate the transaction. Follow any prompts from your wallet to complete the swap. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification of the successful swap. Feel free to review your swap history to ensure everything was completed correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.